Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with WalkerFitMuscle.com. Welcome back for another video. All right, this is a cool video. Quick workout, all about blowing your chest up. Easy chest workout, all right? No such thing as an easy workout, right? Here's the thing. This one doesn't require a whole lot of equipment. Dumbbells and a bench. If you don't have a bench, I'm gonna be using a bench in the video, but if you don't have a bench, you're working out at home, you have a few dumbbells, they don't even have to be extremely heavy dumbbells, but you do want to have a stability ball. So physio ball, Swiss ball, stability ball, one of those balls you can lay your back, you can actually angle for an incline press, angle for a flat bench press, do flies. Those are very convenient. Only 10 bucks. So if you're at home, you got dumbbells and you're like, man, I don't have a bench, I can't do this stuff. Order you a $10 stability ball. It's gonna be worth it. So many cool things you can do with it. Chest work, back work, seated shoulder press work, core work. So they're very, very good to have. I've got tons of exercises that I use with my stability ball. So definitely either a bench or a stability ball. That's all you need. You can have a great workout. I'm gonna let you watch this workout and then I'm gonna shut up. But I do want to break down something slightly. The workout itself, you're gonna be doing a couple compound sets. Compound sets, 2 exercises for the same muscle group back to back with no rest. All right, so basically what you're gonna see me doing, I'm starting in an incline position. You're gonna see me doing some incline chest flies. Take it nice, slow, under control, and don't just go through the range of motion like this, going from point A to point B. Really focus on feeling the stretch in your chest on the way down. And then here's the other key point. Once you get that full stretch, imagine your chest here coming together. Visualize that. Get that strong mind-muscle connection. Also bringing these elbows, your biceps, your elbows, closer together at the top. That's gonna help give you a really big peak contraction with your chest. A lot of people will do a fly, they'll come down and just bring it up. Come down, bring it up. There's no contraction going on. When you really visualize the stretch and really focus on bringing these up and together, you're gonna feel a big difference in your peak chest contraction. All right, quickly the exercises you're gonna be doing. Starting in an incline position, incline dumbbell flies, immediately put the weight down, grab some heavier weight, and then go straight into a press. Same thing with the press, you don't wanna just come down and up. You wanna come down, and as you're coming up, you wanna go towards the center. That's how your chest is designed to work, just like this. That's where the benefit comes in when using dumbbells as opposed to using just a barbell. Barbell, you're stuck in a fixed position. When you're doing a dumbbell, you can come down, but instead of going straight up, you can come up and in, which gives you a better contraction. All right, so you're gonna do those back to back. No rest between those two. Then take about a 60 to 90 second breather, do a second set. Just like that, back to back. Take another 60 to 90 second breather. This time it's probably gonna be closer to 90 seconds because your pecs are gonna be on fire, man, all right? So take that 90 seconds, even if you have to do 2. Take a 2-minute break just to make sure you're getting a good last set because you're doing 3 sets of these. Once you've done your 3rd set of both, flatten the bench. All right, you've gone from incline, working a lot of upper chest. Now you're gonna flatten the bench and really focus on a little more center, meaty part of the chest, okay? So same thing, same concept, good full stretch, good contraction, good full stretch, good contraction. But here's what we're doing different. Same concept, but you're reversing the order of the compound set. So you're actually going to be doing the bench press first. Same concept with the bench press, like I'm saying. You're coming down, up, and in. All right, just like this. That's what you're doing, that motion right there. So you're gonna do your bench press, put the weight down, grab the lighter weight this time, and you're gonna finish off with the flies. Take your 90-second break. You're gonna need at least 90 now that you've already done the incline, your first set of your flat bench, but you're gonna do this for 3 sets as well. So 3 sets of this compound set. Once you finish there, all right, you've gotten 12 sets of chest work. 3 incline flies, 3 incline press. That's 6. You did the same thing with the flat. Flat bench press, flat dumbbell flies. So that's another 6, so 12. The last 3, you're gonna be getting 15 total sets, but because you're doing this quickly, little rest in between and doing compound sets, you're gonna have this whole workout done in less than 30 minutes. Took me about 25 minutes to get it done. Okay, so the last 3 you're gonna do, you'll see me doing, I call these decline push-ups. Most people think that's backwards, but that's because they're backwards. The only reason I say that, you're in an incline position. Your body's inclined, you'll see me on the bench, but what you're doing is working the lower pecs. When you're in this position, you're stretching, you're pushing up, you're going from high to low. That's a decline movement. It mimics a decline bench press, which puts more emphasis on the lower chest. When we're talking incline, all right, so if my feet were on the bench and we're doing the same push-up, that would work more upper chest, all right? But there's a misconception there with the name of this push-up. So I just want to explain why you see me, when you're gonna see the name, decline push-up. And I don't want you to think, wait a minute, that's wrong, he doesn't know what he's talking about. It's mimicking a decline movement with your chest, so we're gonna keep it a decline push-up because you're working the lower portion of your chest. Last thing, and then I'm gonna let you watch this workout, man, is you'll notice nice, good stretch. And when you're coming up, really focus on getting these elbows and these biceps towards one another. That's gonna help you get a really deep lower pec contraction. All right, man, that being said, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions. That's all I got, man. Get busy, get after it. God bless.